ground perimeters of a cricket ground. So, basically, I am just going to give you basic ideas on the ground for batting lineup and how a batsman likes to hit a ball and particular areas. Now, these areas which are going to be highlighted are the basic points which are given names. Like sometimes you hear commentators on a cricket ground speaking about or ये square cut mara and all these kind of dialogues they use, and you're just sitting down there not understanding what is this square cut, what is a leg glance, and what is a straight drive. So these are the concepts I'm sending it to you, so that you will get an idea that what the commentator is actually speaking about, or rather if your colleague or somebody in the batting lineup tells you, yeah, you play on the off side, you'll get more run. So getting back to the ground and its area, the inner circle which is in the red is the inner field, right? As I said, it's the inner circle, it's the inner field where you have the power play. Then you have the outer field, as I explained earlier, that the circle around the ground is the outer field. Now, the inner field is marked in white. As you can see, the line dividing the ground into white lines. That is 30 yards. That is the diameter of the inner circle. And the outer circle, which is marked in red, you can see a big X. That is 70 to 78 yards. Right? The inner is 30 yards and the outer in the red, that's the straight lines in red, is 70 to 78 yards. Now, like I explained in the beginning, the batting area, the batting where the maximum hits are taken, you can see it colorfully, right? So let's get to it in detail. So now here you have the straight drive, that's marked in blue. Players prefer to give a shot where the bowler is just above the bowler's head, or rather near the leg side of the bowler or the umpire standing. That's called a straight drive. Then you have the off drive, that is at the side of the straight drive comes the off drive, where the player hits the ball with on the right hand side but straight, mostly on a straightish side. Then you have the cover drive, that is just at the side of the off drive. You can see it's marked in green. Then you have the square drive, that is slightly getting the ball on an edge slightly and pushing the ball to one of the sides of the ground, that is called square drive. You have square cut, that's I'll come to you. Now this is square cut. It's a very less chances where you can get a perfect square cut, but there are some players who are very well batting and they can take this cut in a very comfortable manner. This is called square cut. Then you have just a cut that is perfectly between the square cut and the slip. This shot is taken just in the middle of both these players, and it's very thing to get a very good shot in this area. You get fast runs, as players usually don't cover this area as it's a difficult shot. Then you have the late cut, that is when a player takes a back foot and just tries to lift the ball just a little bit over the slip. You get a late cut and you can get a boundary in this area. Then you have your leg glance. You must have seen most batsmen, when they have to test a ball or understand the ball, they put the leg forward, right? They put the leg forward and they just simply move the leg in a different manner, where the ball just grazes the leg and moves to the leg side. That's the boundary, right? For a left hand batsman it's different, for a right hand batsman it is different, right? So this is called the leg glance. Then you have the hook shot. MS Dhoni is famous for this. Just lifts the ball over the shoulder direct into the boundaries. It's called a hook shot. Wonderful shot it is. It's mostly taken on the leg side of the ground. Then you have the full pull, that is coming forward and just striking the ball to your leg side straight to the boundaries, that's a pull. That's a pull shot. Very strong shot it is. Many batsmen in the Indian team and all the other teams, you find them, they just simply come out and just swing their bat around, taking a full pull shot to the boundary. Then you have your on drive, that is just driving the ball to the one of the boundaries. That is at the side of the straight drive. You can see it very clearly, right? It's in green. And I said straight drive in the beginning, what I started with. That's the straight drive thing. Now I'm going to display all the drives like a map on the ground. So please go through it. These are the different names of all the drives which I've shown you. The pulls, the drives, the cuts, and the glances. Right? This is the full map of the different areas and the points, what we say point shots. These are the different points of the batsman's driving area. I hope you enjoyed this session. The next session which I'll be putting up, will be related to the fielding lineup and the positions. So have a nice day.